welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Smart Gear 3D printing pen. Okay, so I found this at Kohl's on sale for like $20, but it's usually $60. So I found a really good sale. I hope if you guys buy this, you would find as good a sale as I did. So let's get it unboxed. Okay, so the 3D printing pen comes with the pen. I have used this before a couple times, so it might be a little dirty. It comes with a USB cord and an adapter, just plug into an outlet. And it also comes with 4 different colors: green, red, blue, and black. But I did use all of those up. So to get refills, I just found some on Amazon. It's $10 for like a bunch of really pretty different colors, like green, blue, yellow, black, pink, purple, turquoise. Really pretty, and I thought it was a great deal. And so it also comes with the instruction manual and 4 like stencils so you can trace with it. So there's like a flower, a butterfly. I did draw on that one. You can make a helicopter or the Eiffel Tower. So that's a lot of opportunities that you can totally do. You know, with this pen, you can practically do anything you can dream of because it can practically like draw in the air. So that is exactly why I got it. So if you don't want to read this thick book of instructions, then I can show you a really quick and easy way to start doodling. Okay, so first you just plug this end into the larger hole in the back, and then this you just plug into a regular outlet. Okay, so once you plug it in, this little green light should start flashing, and that just means that it's heating up. So this stuff that I have right here is PLA filament. So that means that you just need to have it on low heat, but if you are using ABS filament, then you would need to have it on high heat. So to pick how fast you want the filament to come out, you just push this front button right here. And so now all 3 lights are on, and I would like it to come out on medium heat, but if this is your first time, then I would just have it on low heat. So then to pick your heat, just push this back button back here. So I want it, so that's low, medium, and then high, but I just want it on medium. So now we need to load in the filament. So the green light stopped flashing. So just a tip, green is for if you're using PLA filament, which is what I'm using. But to change it to the ABS setting, just push this button back here. So now it's flashing red. So that just makes the heat, so it takes a little longer to heat up because, see, it's done now, but it takes a little longer to heat up because it just needs to be on a higher setting for ABS. But I'm using PLA, so it's just at green. So to load in the filament, you just put it into the little hole back here. And tip, the filament for the Smart Gear pen is 1.75 millimeters around, and that's like all the stuff that they have on Amazon. So just to put it in the little hole in the back, and then just push this button to load it in. For a little while, the stuff that I was using before was a darker green, so it's just going to start to come out. Just keep doing that until you, okay, so there's the color that I want, so I'm just going to stop now. So now it just, it's still a tiny little bit warm, but it cools and hardens in like probably 2 or 3 seconds, so that's awesome. Tip, do not touch the black part or the tiny white nozzle or else it might burn. So that is why this is just kind of an adult version of the 3 doodler stuff. So how to draw, so once you have all of your filament loaded in, then to draw you, so actually I'm just using like a plastic kind of cutting board material so that I don't get it on my table. So just have it probably on a protected surface. So anyways, to draw, just push this down. Just push and hold it to draw. and then it should come out. Just blow on it before you touch it a little bit, just so that it doesn't burn. It's still a little warm, but it's not that bad. And then to stop drawing, just lift up your finger, and then to completely stop drawing, just push it again. So I'm just going to doodle freehand right now. So to change out the filament, you just push this button right here, and then it should start coming out. But make sure that you want to be done with this color, because it does take a little while to change out the filaments. So now, as you can see, the end is pointed and the end is a little hot. So I'm just going to trim it off because you cannot put it in there with like a pointed edge. So now this one I can be free to use again. And then to load in new filament, just do the same process that I showed you with when I loaded in this color. Okay, so to put it away, just load out your filament, and then you can just go ahead and unplug it from both outlets. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. I really hope that you buy this doodler. It's so much fun to play with. And give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. And ring the bell, ring the notifications bell, so you can catch all of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just thank you guys so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.